Nigerian Genius.
Alright, good evening guys. This is Team ENM with you here, and on this session is our project report.
Alright guys, this is Team Uniport once again.
Good day everyone, this is Team FU Team Mina.
This is Team ALT from Minio.
Yesterday was the demo, the pre-exposition of the devices was actually supposed to present today. But due to lack of preparation, not just from our team, but from other teams, an extra day was extended to it so we can work on and finish our products before the final day. We thought yesterday was like a deadline. We had even given up because there was no way we could meet up with the challenges we have to overcome with the time given, even if we had stayed all night like we usually do. So we're like, let's just drop the microphone here and work out. But due to the encouragement from the judges, we have continued with the challenges that held us back. Those challenges are coding embedment, if you understand what I mean. We have been trying so far to transfer codes from our laptop using using Arduino IDE board to transfer codes into the ESP camera, which is the microprocessor of our device. But so far so good. Since yesterday, we have been testing different methods.
It's really been a long journey. We've been able to deploy our products, the softwares, the hardware, and all the integration that's involved. And yesterday we did like a demo pitch where we showcased what we have been able to come up with to the judges. And funny enough, during that pitch, something just went wrong, and we had some glitches just for the sensors. Sensors were not really giving us accurate values. So, but every other thing, as per the application communication and the interface, database, and everything worked very well. So since yesterday night and till now, we've been working on, making the sensors more accurate, changing the sensors we can change. We're looking at the problems, what caused that failure, and how we can solve that problem. So far, we've been able to change some of the modules that caused that issue. We've gone back to the basics. We've got to open our device, close out everything, and start coupling it back together. So, and we are sure that before the final demo, for the final pitch, we would have our product ready and working.
And this another day, we are still working on our project as usual. We are ongoing with the project. Yesterday we did a demo of the presentation of the project, and it was actually successful. But during the demo, we are not yet done with the project because during especially with the coding, there was a little mix-up, and we have been able to sort it out, and now it's working fine. Currently, we are trying to assemble everything together. The system is already working fine, and hopefully, before the final presentation, we will be done with the project. And as you can see, my team members are still working on the project currently. So we trust it will come out well by God's grace.
Yesterday we had our demo presentation, like I earlier pointed out, and during the demo presentation we displayed what we had done so far. It was a good art, but we hadn't completed everything as at yesterday, and we burnt the night into today trying to fix up some of those things. Like you see my boss behind there, he's been working and we've been working together all night into today to fix up the things that had to be fixed. Our pulse rate is not ready as at yesterday, the pulse rate sensor. We've got, and everything is in place. So everything is working perfectly well. And also the air sensor, as the air condition sensor, we were able to calibrate it perfectly well. And would say this, we are going to put up a big show in the final presentation day.
We finally found out today that the Arduino board we're using was actually wrong after talking to one of our mentors. So we're actually waiting for an FT board for us to try using it to transfer the code to the ESP cam. While we're waiting for that, we got our casing. We got our casing for the product we are building. And what we did after getting the casing was to use super glue to apply glue on it and file it so it looks like real plastic and not just layers of threads. After the filing is done and smoothing is done, we'll spray it and it will look as neat as possible. What's left for the case now is the stand and the cover. Aside that, once we are done with the programming, we'll be able to mount this device. As you can see, it's actually very simple. Alright, so what's left for this product's completion is firstly the transfer of codes, because the ESP camera is our brain, like it's the brain of this product. So if we don't find a way to transfer codes into the ESP camera, then the product will become non-functional, and they don't need having a good design and the rest if the product does not function as well. Like you have had in the demo, the functionality of the product is a whopping 70%. So we don't just want to create a fine design and leave out functionality, which will give us a great boost. So I've actually been falling behind on a lot of things. That's why we are working so hard to make sure that this device functions properly. We thank you for the steady support so far. We thank CIC for the extension, so they can see the idea we have in mind come to life. We thank not just CIC, not just you guys, but also the cameraman that has been, the camera guys that have actually been capturing us day to day, presenting us to you live, showing you that we are working to make Nigeria, the medical sector of Nigeria, a better place. Thank you once more. Thank you, CIC.
But to my fans, I want to say thank you very much for the support. We are really very, very appreciative of what you guys are doing for us. The support and the encouragement, the good comments we are seeing, it's really encouraging for us here. Thank you very much. I want to give a big shout out to CIC for organizing this program. Once again, I want to say it's something that impresses me. It's good that we see more support in the engineering industry back over here in Nigeria. In Nigeria, we are lagging in the industrial sector, manufacturing and engineering as a whole. So it's good that companies and bodies come together to support engineers and innovators like us. So thank you very much, CIC, and all the partners that have come together to put this program and make it a success. Thank you.
To our fans out there, to others who like our posts. We want to appreciate you really for how you have been liking our posts, commenting and sharing. You have been doing well, and we encourage you to continue to like our posts, comment and share. And also we trust that will come out well by God's grace in the name of Jesus. And to CIC, we want to say a very big thank you to you for organizing such a program like this. God bless you.
To our fans out there, you guys have been rooting for us from day one. We're pretty grateful, and we are thankful to you guys for all your unwavering support. So we'd love you guys to keep voting for us. The event has been extended by 2 days, so you would have to vote into Monday. So keep voting for us. Go to Facebook, like, share and comment Team Art like you guys know already. Also on YouTube, like and comment. Thank you all. To CIC, we are indeed grateful from the bottom of our hearts. We're grateful for the opportunity to showcase our skill set. Thank you, CIC, for being a beacon of hope to engineering in Nigeria. We are grateful for this opportunity. Thank you.
The Nigerian Genius.